another on the road vlog today. Me and my sidekick was eating as usual.
No?
What do you mean no? What's in your hand, feet? What's in your hand?
Nothing. Look.
So we are. Oh, those lights look so weird. Why would they put those weird lights in the car? So yes, we are actually on the road. I got some errands that I gotta get done. So that is what we are up to for the day. Have you guys fully finished your Christmas shopping as yet? Busted. Did you just say you're not eating nothing? So what is that in your hand? Miss Fate. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so the other two kids are home and yeah, hubby is at work. So we're just gotta go get some stuff. So and I also gotta go do groceries. I gotta go grocery shopping. But after this, I probably won't be back outside for a while. Maybe for the, well, almost. I'll probably, maybe a couple more times I'll probably be outside, and then that's it for the end of the year, till the new year. Because, yeah, at least I get out in the cold, the better it is for me. So, y'all know your girl don't like the cold. I know. And y'all asking how comes I live in a cold country. Temporarily. Putting in the works to annihilate that problem just now.
I know you don't like the cold, but yeah, you live in Canada, which is literally cold most year round. Even spring is very cold.
What's up, guys? So, woo. Me and Faith are sitting in the car.
I'll take this off.
Man, the mall is definitely not what it used to be. Safety first. Will lock us up in here. So I just finished getting the last bit of errands I had to get done. We were supposed to go into some other store and we didn't even end up making it. We're like food. Hold on. I am. Okay. Oh, it's hot. Okay.
No, my hand tastes like hand sanitizer.
Yeah. And there's water. You can use the water and rinse off your hand. Everything you do is amazing. Oh Lord. So we are having some lunch because in the mall you cannot eat. And this is the first time I've been in the mall in, when's the last time? I can't even tell how long
time
I've been in the mall. It's been a hot minute. So I got myself some Chinese food because as you guys know, hubby don't eat that stuff. And I wanted some, so I got Chinese food and Fate got New York fries poutine. Let me see. So that is what my food looked like. Yay!
Oh, let me
should have done the thumbnail. You could take one. So
is that Mommy?
What? It's vegetables.
No.
Let me taste.
No, that's over here.
What? You're right. So that's the whole point about taste the sauce of fries. You saw how she treat me bad, guys? Oh, Lord. And yes, we are foodies.
Mommy, guys! Okay, let me taste this.
Why do you have to get the leg?
Because I like the leg.
Why can't you get the wing? Wait a minute. Where's the piece of the car? Getting foggy in here.
Here.
I'm gonna have to put the window down a little bit.
Look.
Oh man. Oh, that's good. I do like the fries.
Yeah. Oh, I got a large. Oh, that's not so big.
I always like their poutine too. Oh, it's nice. They call it cheese curd. So, we're finally finished our errands. I was looking something for Mr. Williams, and man, we went to about 5 different stores just to get one thing. But you know what?
It was
I got it, and well, I hope he likes it. Well, I know he'll like it. Anything I get him, he likes
If you
it.
don't like it, I'll take it out.
This is so good. It's been a while since I literally had Chinese food. And it's like, I can't order it in. Well, I probably could, but Mario wouldn't eat any of it. It would just be me and the kids.
I'd definitely eat it. I just want to eat the vegetables. I just want to eat the vegetables.
But you wouldn't eat it. And the vegetables are good for you. So after this, we're just gonna head home. I am tired. I hardly got no sleep last night. Yeah. Just been exhausted. School's got me busy. So it got me busy, and your girl needs some vacation time. I really need some time away. Really need some time away. I wish it was sunny and warm out. This food is good. Good. Look at the guy sitting there in the car watching us eat. In the blue car. Oh, Faith, you didn't even show them. Show them the other stuff we got. This?
This is yours? You can have this one.
Doesn't matter.
I'm not going to learn yet.
Look at these guys. Oh. But these are for later. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, the nice cinnamon bun. Cinnamon bun. I got a cinnamon bun for later, so that is for later on snack. I go home, probably gonna, you know, watch a movie, maybe. We'll see.
I've been out sleep.
Yeah, I'm maybe drop asleep. I need to take a nap. But
wow.
Knowing me, I'll find other things to do. Do an ASMR.
ASMR?
So gross.
Wait.
We can't hear. I literally have to be like chewing loud for you guys to actually hear me chewing.
Okay, ready?
This actually tastes good. Tastes so good. Oh man. So what have you guys been up to? You guys finished your Christmas shopping? You guys ready for Christmas? If you are ready for this year to end, put your hands up and end on a good note. I hope 2021 hopefully 2021 is way better than 2020. I mean, there's just so much tragedy that happened this year, so much loss. You lost and you gain, but there's more loss than gain that happened this year. I just hope for a prosperous 2021. Because of the corona, so much of our goals have been pushed back. So much things that we had planned have been pushed back, but still, don't let that stop you. You know, still push on, push through. Things might just take a little bit more time because I had a certain deadline for when we wanted our house to be finished. I'm not going to tell you exactly when, but with Corona hitting, it pushed things back for us a lot. Our moving plans, things have changed as well pertaining to that. Yep. Our moving plans definitely has changed. But we'll definitely let you guys know when that is coming.
My lips are so pink. That's a good thing because then I don't have to wear like lipstick or anything.
And me and hubby are still gonna sit down and do the video for you guys. The reasons why we are choosing to move back to Jamaica. So you guys can definitely stay tuned for that. And if there's any specific question that you guys want to ask, definitely, like I said, hit up my Snapchat, hit up my Instagram, email me, you know. Oh, and I forgot to tell all of you as well, thank you for those that have reached out to me, you know, when I was talking about my nursing school and failing, like, my nursing course and stuff like that, and encouraging me not to give up. Thanks. Sometimes I need to take my own advice. I'm always very good at giving advice and telling people and always encouraging others to pursue their dream and continue doing what they need to do to be their best in life, right? And most of all, be happy and be happy with what you're doing. I'm always good at, I'm always good at giving people advice, but I also need to learn, and that's one of my flaws. I need to learn to also take my own advice and know that I can do a lot of things, because I always say anything I put my mind to, I generally do it. And then I have times where I talk myself out of doing something, right? But I know when I put my mind to do something, I definitely will do it. No matter how hard it is, I always see it through. I didn't end up, all the times I've been to college, this is my 4th time going to college. And I'm not gonna let, because of this one time, I give up. As much as, like, it's been a very stressful process, because the help is not really there that you would like, and certain things, they don't need to be stressing on you so much. But yeah, like I always say, don't give up, just continue pushing. So I would just like to say thank you for everyone that has, whether you've emailed me, you've sent me a message on Snapchat, on Instagram, and put a message in the video in the comments below. I've read all of them and I appreciate all of them. So thank you. I always believe in, this is also one of my dreams. My other dreams and stuff I've had accomplished, and I still have more, because even after this I plan on doing some other things, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going back to school after this. I think 4 times going to college and having all these different diplomas and certificates and like awards and all these things that I have gone to school. I think I spent most of my life being in school. I remember the days when I was juggling school with Memphis and Faith. They were so young and I juggled school with them and work. And that in itself was hard. And even after I had Rissa, I went back to school. I went for business. And that one I graduated in 2013. So I went for business as well, and I didn't even find going to business school as hard. I actually like business. I definitely like business school. It was nice.
I love how you're talking and just stuffing my face.
They're always stuffing your face. And that was really good. So, and those times was stressful too, but I still pushed through. So definitely anything you put your mind to, you definitely can achieve. And even if you don't have nobody in your corner, just know that God is always in your corner, right? And like I say, sometimes you tell certain people your dreams and aspiration, and you know, those same people, they don't wish you well, but you have total strangers out there that you don't even know. They're your internet family, and they wish you more well than the people that you know about, like, around you. So it's just crazy sometimes. We're almost done. So yeah, so definitely we would me and hubby is going to do that video on stuff, and I think we do need to do an update video as well, like a full sit down update video, because the update video that I did, like, it was more talking about like failing nursery school and stuff like that. So I definitely need to do one.
I need to sleep.
Was it uneasy? Why are you leaning to the side? Leaning to the side. So, ooh. Yeah, do unbutton your pants. So, yeah. I just, that's what I just wanted to let you guys know.
I have no juice left.
Man, like I say, I can't wait for the day to move back home. Like, literally. Yes, Canada will forever be my home, and I will come and go, but Jamaica is my land of birth, and I would never give up that country for nothing.
Nothing for me?
That place for nothing.
About me. About me.
No, I'm just talking about just
like
the
another
life
country?
there. You know, I find I'm more motivated when I'm home.
So I could get up earlier.
I get up well early. I'm well more motivated when I'm there.
Way more fitter-ish.
I'm way more healthier. I find.
I eat a lot. Wait, no, I don't eat that much in Jamaica though.
I find
make
I'm more
breakfast.
healthier and stuff like that.
Make breakfast at like, I don't know, sometimes I wake me about like 8 o'clock.
And I'm more active. I'm more just everything. My mood in general is just different on a whole nother level just being home. So that in itself, definitely. I always when I was younger, I always wonder why, like, I'm here and winter, like, I just couldn't. As soon as I just start seeing the leaves and fall off the tree, don't mind, the leaves are beautiful in the fall when they fall, but then it started getting cold and the leaves are falling off the tree. I remember I used to hide in the bathroom because I didn't want to go outside for recess.
Oh, actually, I do that all the time.
The amount of clothes I had to put on, and I was still cold. I would put on 2 pairs of socks to go out. How much pants and shirt and long sleeve, and I just couldn't. I couldn't. And it was so hard. And when I was forced to go outside, like, I literally stood in the corner and like I was shaking. I still just, it's almost like it happened yesterday to me. Like, when I sit and I think about it now, and I never knew that it's something that affected me and affected my mood. Oh, sorry, in life. And I find it's almost like I am not myself this time of year. I find like I'm not the same person. I feel so blah.
I'm gonna sleep.
This one, look at this one eating.
I'm so tired.
She's ready to go sleep. This one eats, she's ready to fall asleep. Yeah, so I was wondering, like, that's also part of the reason too for moving home. I feel more liberated back home. I don't feel trapped. Here, in a sense, I kind of feel trapped to a certain extent, like freedom when it comes to certain things. But I could always get in and do another video, like sitting down and just talking about that to you guys. But I'm going to go finish my food, so I guess I will catch you all later. Peace out, guys. If I don't come back, I'd just like to say thank you for watching this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed our little outing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to tell a friend to come over and join the William fam, where it's always a vibes. And if you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button to be a part of the William fam, and anytime we upload, you guys will be the first to know. So I will catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want